Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we have a Tennessee Cattleman pie lined up for you. That's right, here's the list of ingredients. There's a big list, so be sure to pause it to capture it all. But guys, trust me, this is a super simple and delicious recipe that you guys can knock it out of the park, I'm sure. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, we're going to come in with our little baby carrots. You can use big carrots. It don't matter. Any carrot, a carrot is a carrot. You can use frozen carrots if you want to cheat. It's all good. But I got little baby carrots because they were on sale. We went ahead and got a 3-pound bag, but we're slicing these all up, giving them a rough chop. That's right. Just want to get a cup of carrots. Here we go, guys. Next, coming in with your onion. Going to do the same thing. Going to come in, slice it, and dice it. That's right. Chop these all up. They don't have to be perfect. Just get a good, solid chop. And once again, you want 1 cup of carrots. As you can see right here. Yeah, I love that knife, man. That's a beautiful knife. All right, guys, time for celery. That's right. Go ahead and give your celery a good chopping. That's right. Chop, 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 chop. That's right. Get it all chopped up. Got to have a nice rough chop. That's right. We're looking for another cup of celery. That's right. Just get a good chop. As you can see, I'm doing a pretty good job here, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate reading your comments, guys. I really do thank you from the bottom of my heart. All right. Time to come in with your baby portobello mushrooms. That's right. Get it these and the same thing. Slice and dice, guys. That's right. Slice them up. Get them into a rough chop. Looking for a cup of mushrooms here as well. So just enjoy me chopping these up here. Yeah. By the way, guys, do you know why they call it a Cattleman pie? That's right. Instead of using lamb, it's using beef. That's the big difference between a shepherd's pie and a cattleman's pie. All right, listen to that sizzle, guys. Oh my God. Get your 2 pounds of hamburger cooking in here. Oh my God. This is 80-20 mixture. That's right. You do not want fatty hamburger. Now it's time to season. Go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of salt. Follow it up by 1 tablespoon ground black pepper. Coming in with some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. That's right, guys. Get it in here. Add you in some oregano. Follow that up with some basil. Yeah, these are all tablespoons, by the way. And red chili pepper flakes. Mix this all in. Give it a good, solid mixing. By the way, go ahead and add you in some cayenne pepper if you want it on a little bit of a spice. This was a special request from my kiddo, so we have skipped the spicy part. All right, guys. This sauce right here, this Bear and Burton's Worcestershire sauce, America's finest Worcestershire sauce. I've just found this, and it's amazing. I will be using this going forward. But anyways, you want to just add you in some Worcestershire sauce into your pan and mix it all in as you saw what I did here. Now, come in with your butter. I love listening to the sizzle. I don't know about you guys, but check it out. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Let that butter melt down because we are going to be adding the Holy Trinity. That's right. Take a look right there. The Holy Trinity going in. Let that get stirred in and starting to cook it down. All right, once that's been cooking for a while, go ahead and add in some minced garlic. That you do not want it to burn, so you want to add that later on, as you see me doing here. Go ahead and give it a good mixing and let it cook for a minute. Now, the most important part, guys, is your pie crust. Take this out at this point. You want these to come up to room temperature. You don't want them frozen. You don't want them too warm. Room temperature is perfect. Now, as you see, these have been cooking for a while. We're going to come in and add our flour. That's right. We are going to begin making our roux, which is going to make that velvety gravy flavor in the pie itself. It's like the pièce de résistance. All right, now come in, add you 1 cup of beef broth. If you want, you can add chicken broth. It's up to you. There's no saying no to anything. That right there was a tablespoon or 2 of red wine. Get you a nice, decent, full-bodied red wine. Add that in. It's going to add some flavor. The alcohol is going to cook off. We're going to come back in, add some flour, mix that all in. And as you can see, it's going to start to thicken up here, guys. Take a look. Take a look. Meanwhile, to our hamburger, guys. That's right. We've been letting this hamburger cook. We are now going to go ahead and taste it. Let's taste it. Make sure it's good. Oh, yeah. It's ready to go. Yeah, buddy. That hamburger be good, but do not take your eye off your sauce. Otherwise, guys, it's gonna burn. So just continue to stir it. As you can see right here, we don't want it sticking to the bottom. doing a good job. Add in a little more salt for some flavor. Stir that in there, and then make sure, like I said, don't let it burn. So keep stirring. Now we're going to come in with our smoked paprika. That's right, add in some more smoked paprika. Mix it all in. Incorporate all these together. Add in the remainder of your black ground pepper. Mix it all together. You're going to want to incorporate these flavorings together. Look how it's thickening up, becoming a good gravy. It's looking good. After a little bit, just add a little bit of water so that way there it does not become too thick. As you see right here, this is the consistency that you're going for. Just continue to mix it in, and it's going to be perfect, guys. Just perfect. All right, guys, you remember those mushrooms? Yeah, this is the time when you add them in. You do not want to overcook your mushrooms because they will become mushy and really nasty. So right now, go ahead and add them in here within the last 30 to 60 seconds of your sauce making right here. As you see, just take this, turn it down to low, and let it become a simmer. All right, after about a minute or two of simmering, we're gonna come in and add in our hamburger half at a time because you get overwhelm your pan and it gets really, really messy. It's okay to make a mess, but then when you're dealing with grease and hamburger, it's not a fun cleanup, trust me. So guys, just go ahead, spread it all out, mix it in, incorporate them flavors, and then add in your other half of the hamburger. As you can see right here, we're gonna speed it up. We're gonna mix it all in, just doing the best we can to incorporate everything together. And trust me, when you put it into the pie, it is gonna be amazing. All right, guys, it's time to get cheesy. That's right, get your Bella Vitano cheese. That's right, this is a Marlowe Bella Vitano. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't even know how you say it. I call it Bella Vitano cheese. Shred it in there, guys, like you're seeing right here. Mix it all in, incorporate that cheese so it melts in. This is gonna give a rich, creamy texture to the gravy of your pie. Just mix this all in, guys. Look, it's looking really good. Are you getting hungry? I'm getting hungry. And by the way, your house at this point smells amazing. Trust me. Taste it, and you are not going to be disappointed. Yeah, look at that. Super excited. That is really good. On point. All right, guys, I've already added my butter to the pan. That's right. Take a stick of butter and just rub the side of this pie pan. That's right. Just get it in there. Then you lay your crust, your bottom crust. Then you go ahead and add in all this mixture. Look at it. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Make sure it's even on all sides. If you have to, just push it up and spread it out evenly. Looks like it's overcrowded, but don't worry about it. It's going to become amazing. Now you come in with your top piece of pie crust and just crimp the edges together. That's right. Crimp them, give them that famous pie look. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, come on, look at this thing. Look at this. Looks rough. Now take a beaten egg and rub the top. This is an egg wash. That's going to give it that golden brown color that we come to enjoy from our pies. Don't skimp on the egg wash, guys. Just keep getting it. Get the sides too. That's right. Look how good that looks. Now you're going to take your knife and you're going to put 4 slits in each corner. That's right. Take a look. Right here in the center, from about an inch from the pie edge to an inch to the center, you're going to go ahead and put those slits. That's going to allow the pie to vent. This is going in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes, guys. And after 30 minutes, listen to this. Yeah, buddy. You know what that means? That pie is ready. We're going to go ahead and top it with a little bit of salt just to give it a nice little Then we'll plate it up with some peas and corn, mashed potatoes, and some garlic bread. And yeah, as you can see right here, I'm lost another one. All right, guys, thank you for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. I hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.